It's getting took down, never got a better. Let me zoom in now. Wouldn't work out well on. I got some build up of it now. It's only on for one day only, so that's getting pulled down now. Same with that thing as well, the window bit thing. That's the drop tower getting took down now. I'll move over a bit so I can see it. Getting all took down. That's it, it's a bit bright through here. But that's quite cool. I'll get some footage of the fun house and all the other rides getting took down as well. But there we go, that's it pulled down now. And that's again ready. Don't know what the next ground it is going to, but but there's a car getting by right now. That's a lady food drop tower. So yeah, the drop tower's just getting took down now. Quite cool. I've got some off-road footage, on-road footage, you name it. I've got it all. Quite cool.